Are you seeing the Edit Library DLL missing from your system directory? I'm Sophie Chen, a Windows System Specialist. I'll guide you through the technical resolution to protect your PC's internal communication. While preparing the manual steps for Edit Library, check for an official tool to assist with background synchronization. This is the Edit Library, a legacy system library that provides the core text editing routines for basic Windows dialogues and the classic command line edit utility. While infrequently used by modern apps, it is a dependency for many older setup programs. Its absence can prevent old installer wizards from displaying EULA text or configuration options. With the why out of the way, let's focus on getting you running again. This is a core Windows system file issue. Run the system file checker by opening Command Prompt as an administrator and entering sfc/scan now. Windows will scan your system and automatically repair missing or corrupted core files such as Edit Library DLL. If no luck was had with the redistributable package, we will escalate the fix by performing a targeted reset of the system state. A system reboot is a reliable way to clear away zombie processes that might be interfering with Edit Library. It's a low-impact step that ensures your operating system is starting with a synchronized environment. Before you restart, please bookmark this video or click the like button so that it's waiting for you in your library for the next step. Rebooting was just the start. Now, let's apply the core fix in this third step. Feel free to pause the video if you need a second to navigate. Since the restart failed to clear the diagnostic error, we'll manually refresh the system counter manifests. First, open Command Prompt as admin. Second, you're going to type lodc_r, then hit enter. Why are we doing this? Well, performance DLLs rely on accurate registry indexing to function. This step wipes the existing counter registration and forces the system to reconstruct a healthy link to the diagnostic manifests. To ensure long-term stability, we should review the safety risks associated with unverified file sources. Do not let a minor runtime error escalate into a total system rebuild by attempting to force install Edit Library DLL into directories where it does not natively belong. For a comprehensive approach to system health, I recommend incorporating a verified maintenance protocol into your routine. For general system upkeep, the maintenance-related tool linked below includes information relevant to Edit Library. I'm Sophie Chen, and I appreciate you watching. If this guide helped Edit Library workflow, please subscribe for more professional troubleshooting and tech advice.